So if the string length is less than 2, then we return whatever's in the string 3 times. And if the string length is greater than or equal to 2, then we return the first 2 characters from the given string. So we can start off by checking the string length. So if str.length is less than 2, then we're going to return the string 3 times. So return str plus str plus str. And if that's not the case, so if the string length is greater than or equal to 2, then we're going to have a string builder, and call it result is equal to new string builder. So here we're initializing an empty string to store the result. And then we're going to have a for loop to go through the string. So we have for int I is equal to 0. It's going to start from I is equal to 0 until I is less than 3. And then I plus plus. So it goes up by 1 each time. And in total, this will be 3 times. And then we're going to append the first 2 characters to result. So we have result.append. And the first 2 characters would be str.substring, 0, 2. And then finally, we're going to return the result. So we have return result.toString to convert it into string format. And that would be the solution.